So in today's video, we are going to talk about fault in mobile phone. We are going to know the definition of fault in mobile phone and example of some mobile phone fault. So let's know the definition of fault in a mobile phone. Fault is the inability of a mobile component or a mobile part not to work properly, or when a mobile part or mobile component is damaged. That's the meaning of fault. Fault is the inability of a mobile component or mobile part of a phone not to work properly, or when a mobile part is spoiled. That is what is called fault. Some fault might require you to work on the mobile component, while someone might require you to change that particular spare part. So in today's video, I will be showing you some example of this fault in mobile phone, so that when you notice this fault in your mobile phone, you will know what to do. So let's go. The first one we're going to talk about is faulty screen clip. When this clip is faulty, it can't be able to show or display screen. So you'll be on it, but it will not display. That's a sign of a faulty clip. Sometimes a faulty clip will be showing white. Will be displaying your screen white. So that is some of the sign of faulty clip. Another fault is power flex. Once this power flex is broken, you can't be able to on the phone, or the phone will be on by itself. So that's a sign of a faulty power flex. The next one is battery connector. Signs of battery connector is that 1, it will not make that phone to on. 2, it will be making the phone to hot. That is a sign of a faulty battery connector. And again, when one of these teeth is broken, either the positive or the negative is broken, you can't on the phone. The next one is fingerprint sensor. A faulty fingerprint sensor will not detect a fingerprint. So when you want to open the phone or you want to set password, it will not display in the phone, and it will not display when you touch it. Another one is SIM tray or SIM card seater. If one of those pin is broken, it will not display SIM card for you. So when one of those pin is broken, it's a sign of a faulty SIM card seater. And again, once you put SIM card in your mobile phone and it refuses to show or display, just know that your SIM card seater is faulty. The next one is vibrator. A faulty vibrator will not ring out or will not vibrate when you are on the phone or when they are calling you. The next one is camera. A faulty camera, 1, it will not show clear. Secondly, when you want to snap, it will tell you can't be able to connect or camera error. So that's a sign of a faulty camera. The next one is memory seater. A faulty memory seater will not display memory card in your mobile phone. And again, another sign of faulty memory seater is that if one of those teeth are broken, just know that memory seater is spoiled or not good again. So watch the part 2 for another fault of a mobile phone. Subscribe to vitexcommunication channel. Bye. See you in my next video.